Say hello to the heavy-duty leg kit for Onefinity's quick change wasteboard frame. And this is a serious upgrade for existing QCW leg sets because, gosh darn it, our machines just keep getting bigger, beefier, heavier, faster. So we wanted to reinforce the legs we already have to support that. With the heavy-duty leg kit installed, you can cut fast and aggressive, and this thing will not budge. Check it out. That stability comes from adding connection points where motion can transfer from one part to the next. It has braces that go from the top of the front to the bottom of the back on one side, and from the top of the back to the bottom of the front on the other side. We also added some braces to the bottom of the legs on the other two sides, and for your convenience, pre-drilled holes so you can screw in some 2x4s and plywood to give yourself some additional storage underneath your machine. More stability, more functionality. What more could you want? Don't answer that. That was rhetorical. Get yours today at OneFinityCNC.com.